There will be nights when you lie awake, replaying every mistake, every closed door, every person who doubted you, and it will feel like the weight is too much to carry. You will look at your life and wonder if you're actually moving forward or just spinning in place, while everyone else seems to be racing ahead. You will question the plan. You will question yourself. You will wonder if the version of you that dreams so big is just fooling himself. But listen to me. You are going to win. Not because it's easy, not because the road ahead is clear, but because you are still standing after everything that tried to break you. Every setback you've survived has been quietly building something in you that failure can't touch. Every time you got back up when no one was watching, that wasn't wasted. That was training. You think winning looks like applause, like recognition, like everyone finally seeing what you're capable of. But real winning started a long time ago. The day you decided not to quit, even when quitting would have been so much easier. You are not behind. You are not too late. You are not broken beyond repair. You are exactly where you need to be to become who you're meant to become. The people who doubted you, they don't get a say in your outcome. The moments you failed, they were never your identity. They were your education. Every skill you're building right now, every ounce of discipline you're forcing yourself to show up with, none of it is invisible. It's compounding, quietly, relentlessly, whether you can see it or not. There will come a day when you look back at this exact moment, this tired, uncertain, doubt-filled moment, and you will realize it was the turning point. The moment you almost gave up, but didn't. So keep going. Keep showing up when it's hard. Keep believing when the evidence hasn't arrived yet. Keep building the version of yourself that the past you couldn't even imagine. Because you are going to win. Not someday, in some distant, uncertain future, but through every small choice you're making right now to not give up. The comeback is already in motion. You just haven't seen the full picture yet. So don't stop. Don't shrink. Don't let one hard season convince you that this is how your story ends. You are going to win. And when you do, you'll know every hard night was worth it.